Hey there, welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melodies that can be found at my website at ukestuff.info. If you go to Ukulele Music, you can drop down and find the works by Elizabeth Ragsdale for free, no strings attached. The topics of this video, first of all, is what is chord melody? Then I'll demonstrate the song on GCA, soprano concert tenor ukulele. Then I'll do a tutorial for GCA ukulele. And then I'll wrap up this video both playing on high G GCA ukulele because its songs were originally arranged for low G, and then also on Baritone DGBE ukulele. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, both the Uke Playlogs channels and the Uke Stuff channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. If you like chord melody, you can actually find 2 books of my chord melodies of hymns and carols at that Buy Me a Coffee page, as well as on the Apple Bookstore, the Amazon Print Store, and Amazon Kindle. And you can also find more resources at my website, again, ukestuff.info, Ukulele Music, my arrangements there, a number of free ones. You can find, the works of Elizabeth Ragsdale, the works of Tony Krimlisk, a link to the website of Spencer Gay of Uke Education, and a link to the chord melodies of the late Mike Lynch, which are paid resources. So what is this chord melody I'm talking about? It's you playing the melody and the harmony all at the same time, generally with just your thumb, and you're playing a chord, a part of a chord, or a single note. And there's sort of an audio illusion happening here because the note you hear last sticks in your brain as the melody. So it's kind of a neat skill that does pass on to other styles of ukulele playing in the future. It's a great next step, or just a way to let your ukulele sing by itself. Now on chord melody, you're going to see tablature, which is 4 lines. The bottom line is the 4th string of your ukulele, sort of like looking at it like that. Okay, so you've got your bottom line, so string 4, string 3, string 2, string 1, and the numbers tell you what fret to play, and if there's no number, you don't play that string. So let me demonstrate. The Barnyards of Delgaty, which is on page 12 of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melodies. So let's begin. You're going to play the F shape, play the 2nd string, F chord, 2nd string, 3rd fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the 2nd string, then you're going to switch your hand over and you're going to start a B flat shape without the bars. So your first finger is going to be on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and the other 2 are going to waterfall down. You're going to play strings 4 and 3 together, 2nd string, strings 4 and 3, and then 3rd string open. And then you have to watch the syncopated rhythm here. So ta, 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 ta. So now we're in the 2nd full measure, F chord, 2nd string, 3rd fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the 2nd string, move your hand over to that B flat shape again, strings 4 and 3, 2nd string, ring finger goes down on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Now we're on the 2nd line. F chord, 2nd string, 3rd fret, F chord, 2 quick 2nd strings. Switch over to the B flat chord, strings 4 and 3, 2nd string, strings 4 and 3. Now 2 open 3rd strings, strings 4 and 3 open, 1st string, 3rd fret, 1st string, 1st fret, 1st string open, 2nd string, 3rd fret, F chord. 3rd line, F chord, 2nd string, 3rd fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the 2nd string, switch over to B flat shape, strings 4 and 3. 2nd string, strings 4 and 3. 3rd string open, F chord. 2nd string, 3rd fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat the 2nd string, B flat shape again, strings 4 and 3. 2nd string, 1st fret, C chord, again with the ring finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, strings 4, 3, and 2. 4th line of the song now. F chord, first string, open, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2, second string, B flat shape, strings 4 and 3, string 2, strings 4 and 3, string 3 open, 2 of them quick, strings 4 and 3 open, first string 3rd fret, first string 1st fret, first string open, second string 3rd fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. And that's the Barnyards of Delgaty on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele, demonstrated with the low G. Now we're going to do a demonstration on high G and then also on baritone as well. Now, as we do baritone, first of all, I'm not using baritone. This is actually a concert ukulele, a tom concert ukulele that has Pepe Romero baby baritone strings on it, so I don't have to stretch as far when I'm switching between different scales. Also, if you play baritone, the chord names you're seeing are not right. The actual pitches that you're seeing of the melody in Elizabeth's arrangements are not right, but the tablature will work for you if you're just focusing on the tablature. Thanks so much for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial of the Barnyards of Delgaty. Again, the song is in the collection of Elizabeth Ragsdale's Complete 100 Chord Melodies, which is available for free, no strings attached, at my website at ukestuff.info. Again, ukulele music, and then go down to her tab. I hope you're having a great day. I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.